Hi, this is Vic Sharma. Hey Siri, what's the date today?
Hi Vikram, today is 29th of October, 2025.
Yes, you heard it right. This is 2025. It's simply amazing how the world has changed in the last 5 years. The change has been dramatic. A new normal was created by COVID-19 that changed our lives forever. While it caused a lot of disruption and led to tragic losses, there was some good as well. COVID-19 acted as a catalyst for change. Digital adoption took a quantum leap and people relied more on technology. Today, in 2025, we have phones that work like supercomputers. Healthcare is available to individuals sitting at home by the best doctors from all over the world. There is absolute dominance of e-commerce. More than 30 crore Indians shop online, and majority of the last mile deliveries are done by electric vehicles. The electric cargo three-wheeler have captured 40% of the market. Yes, you heard me right, 40%. It has grown more than 20 times in the last 5 years, and the number is staggering. Our cities are much cleaner than they ever used to be with a reduction in the carbon footprint. And Triozor leads in the contributors made by electric vehicles. So it comes as no surprise that we see so many Triozors all over the country in the year 2025. In fact, what I would like to do right now is to show you the beginning of it all, the moment, the time where it all started. Let me take you back to 29th October of 2020 when Triozor was launched. Join me as I take you back into time.
Welcome to this virtual event, something that has now become the new normal. I'm standing in Mahindra Electric's Bengaluru plant, and very soon you will see what's behind me. Mahindra celebrated its 75th anniversary this month, and on this occasion, we renewed a pledge of Rise for Good. And as part of this pledge, and as pioneers of electric mobility in India, Mahindra is driven by purpose. Purpose for a tomorrow that is clean, green, and technologically connected. Starting from Bijli way back in 1999, followed by acquisition of Reva Electric Vehicle Company in 2010, we have been relentlessly and patiently pursuing the electric vehicle space with products in the personal and fleet segments, with new EV technology, and with NEMO connected mobility platform. In the near future, we plan to develop the electric vehicle charging ecosystem in the country with the launch of our own electric vehicle chargers for low voltage vehicles. So what have we achieved so far? We have launched 4 products, E20 Plus, E-Verito, Treo, and Treo Yari, with a total of 6,500 four-wheelers and 5,000 plus Treos on the road. Cumulatively, these vehicles have covered 250 million e-kilometers, and that has saved 25,000 tons of CO2, equivalent to planting 11 lakh trees. That's quite impressive, isn't it? We have partnered with several electric mobility service providers, Lithium, Bhagirathi, Zoomcar, Smart E, and Blue Smart, to name a few, and with EESL for use of EVs by government officials. I can say with confidence that we understand the realities of electric vehicles. We have already invested 1,000 crores in technology, product, and manufacturing capacity. So what next? I've said several times in the past that while it may be glamorous and headline grabbing to talk about 400-kilometer range and 10-minute charging time, but India's biggest need is to improve the air quality in our cities. Large-scale adaptation of EVs in shared mobility and last-mile connectivity is what India needs. Therefore, our focus is on launching technologically advanced but affordable shared and mobility, last-mile mobility products. Commercial viability for the service provider is always on top of our priority. And clearly, central and several state governments, such as Karnataka, Gujarat, Delhi, Telangana, have the same priority and are supporting EVs with lower GST and shared mobility additionally through FAME scheme and state-level incentives. The onus now is on the manufacturers, service providers, and end users to electrify shared and last mile mobility of people and goods. I also believe that India has a huge opportunity to become the world leader in shared mobility application of electric vehicles and become a supplier of technology and products to the world in this space, and thereby promote Atmanirbhar Bharat. For this to happen, it is a must that business invest in technology, and I'm happy to announce that Mahindra has earmarked an investment of 500 crores for India's first state-of-the-art electric vehicle technology and R&D center. It'll be coming up near the Bengaluru airport. We'll be laying the foundation stone in the next few weeks. In the Delhi Auto Expo in February, we had showcased several electric vehicle products to be launched with eKUV, Atom, and Treo Zor on the horizon. With the eKUV, our focus is on shared mobility. This will be India's most affordable electric car, and we should be launching it in the next 3 months. Atom is a new age electric urban mobility solution for first mile, last mile connectivity. We should be launching this product before the end of the financial year. And the Triozor, a perfect product for last mile delivery. Triozor is built on the MESMA 48 platform, which has now proven itself with 5,000 plus Trios successfully plying on Indian roads. And by the way, we'll be happy to license this platform to other players also. While COVID did cause challenges for timelines on new products, and also did result in some loss of momentum in the marketplace, we are happy that the momentum is now coming back, and first of our 3 launches of this year is happening today. But even more important, COVID has given us a new narrative, that of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Mahindra has always believed in Make in India. Our Treo now is a fully made in India product, except for import of lithium-ion cells. And we are putting up a world-class facility in Chakan near Pune for making everything that relates to electric vehicles except the cells. Our Chakan plant will manufacture high-voltage EV battery packs, motor, controllers, power electronics, and drivetrain. Again, we are open to any manufacturer licensing these products from Mahindra. So friends, I have laid down for you Mahindra's EV journey, past and future. Frankly, EVs are a unique opportunity for India, not just to improve our air quality, not just to reduce crude oil import, but also to be a leader in the shared mobility and last mile connectivity space globally. Mahindra is proud to be playing a pioneering role in making this opportunity a reality by offering affordable solutions with cutting edge technology, all homegrown with Make in India thrust. Let us now tell you more about the Zor. I invite Mahesh Babu, the CEO of Mahindra Electric, to take you through some details of our achievement with Treo and lead you to the launch of Treo Zor. I'm sure you will like what you see. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Goenka. First and foremost, we hope and wish you and your family are doing well during these unprecedented times. Indeed, times have changed and businesses are running digitally. We are glad to be here connected with you virtually for this game-changer launch. Mahindra Electric, as pioneer in electric mobility in India, over the last few years has designed, developed, and launched platform and products which transform the mobility sector into sustainability. With our products on road, we have an overall experience of 250 million kilometers on Indian roads, which has given us tremendous insight on the customer usage pattern of electric vehicles, enabling us to develop industry-leading EV technologies for the Indian market. Mahindra Electric's MESMA 48 technology and Treo platform has brought cutting-edge global EV technologies to the first and last mile products in India. We have filed 50 plus patents in EV technology across the globe. Most of the electric technology components, like the electric motors, controllers, power electronics, and battery packs, are made in India, except the cell, which is yet to be indigenized. India's first global electric vehicle technology center in Bangalore will be the next growth engine on developing cutting-edge technology for Mahindra Electric. The Treo platform has been designed, developed to transform the first and last mile applications. It is a culmination of cutting-edge technology and carefully crafted customer value propositions. Mahindra Treo, our electric three-wheeler, was launched in 2018. It has already transformed the first and last mile mobility in India. Treo has a successful milestone sale of over 5,000 vehicles so far. Treo has collectively covered 35 million kilometers by supporting various private and fleet players. We are in fact glad to share that we have saved approximately 1,925 metric tons of CO2, which is equivalent to 87,500 tree planting. Mahindra Treo is present across 400 districts of India and acquired significant market share across cities. For example, we are close to 14% market share year to date in the overall three-wheeler market in Kerala. Many of our customers have utilized our vehicle efficiently and proven that the range can be extended close to 300 kilometers in a single day with efficient opportunity charging. Let's hear out what many of our customers have to say to us.
महिंद्रा ट्रियो की 5 महीने से गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ। महिंद्रा ट्रियो की गाड़ी बहुत बेस्ट है।
500 kg लगेज ಧಾರವಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಬೋದು।
चलाने में बहुत आरामदायक है।
ಟ್ರಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ।
ಇವಾಗ ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ಟ್ರಿಯೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ 10,000 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 30,000 ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಾನು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
So that gives you an idea about the market performance of our Treo. I would say that this is just a start and that we will see many more achievements in last mile mobility. So what next? I think the revolution in logistics and e-commerce emergence has given an opportunity for us now to transform the last mile delivery. Indian e-retail market is growing and is expected to reach about 300 to 500 million shoppers by 2025. There is a huge potential of online gross merchandise value expected to increase by 2025 as well. Moreover, with the current pandemic, various consumers' behaviors have changed substantially. Consumers are choosing more sustainable and economical options in the future. To enable these changes, having a robust, reliable, and efficient logistic are critical to increase productivity and making delivery costs competitive in the market. Keeping in mind the economic growth accompanied by changes in consumer behavior, we believe that there will be an overall shift within the cargo, first and last mile delivery space. The emergence of electric in the cargo segment will lead us to achieving higher operating efficiencies versus fossil fuels. Corporate commitments to sustainability, government policy on support, emergence of EV logistic players is going to play a vital role of electric adoption in cargo segment. With BS6 emission norms kicking in, the total cost of ownership of electric three-wheeler cargo is much more favorable than the diesel counterparts. If you look at the EV space in this segment, the electric vehicle penetration is poised to grow 34x and contribute to 65% of overall market share by FY30. We believe that part of the obvious advantage of the TCO over diesel three-wheelers, there are several other benefits of an electric three-wheeler cargo that the customer expects. The customer expectation has been changing over a period of time. Efficient fleet management is one of the important factors for all fleet operators. For individual buyers, higher earning per month is one of the critical factors for the life to go on. For both of them, I think consistent, durable, reliable performance over a long period is one of the major requirements. Drivers are looking at comfortable, fatigue-free drive for a longer use and also change in lifestyle. With all this, you need a brand which is supported by a network of service centers and contact points to support the product. With cutting-edge technology and the customer expectation, now I would like to introduce Triozor, a game changer. We believe Triozor offers cutting-edge technology for our consumers, which is in the first and last mile delivery. We strongly believe the value propositions we have put in together is going to exceed customer expectations. And we also present to you unmatched customer value proposition in terms of earning potential. With this, Triozor, we strongly believe, is going to be a game changer in the market. To talk about the salient technical features of Triozor, I would like to invite our Chief Technology Officer, Mr. Martin Murray, followed by Mr. Ashish Malik, who is going to talk about our unique customer value proposition.
So let's talk about technology in the Treo Zor. Treo Zor was designed, developed, and manufactured in Mahindra Electric by experts with more than a decade of electric vehicle experience. Treo Zor has leading-edge technology providing outstanding ruggedness, efficiency, and power. So let's go take a look at what this technology really is. The stator is part of the motor that is the muscle of the Treo Zor. This is a custom-designed 8 kilowatt induction machine. We use a rugged position sensor for excellent control in a completely waterproof package. And our induction technology gives us the ability to have high efficiency, low mass, and really strong thermal performance without relying on heavy magnets. This is the brains of the drivetrain. This device uses MOSFET technology and custom in-house software for extremely high efficiency and 42 Newton meters of torque. We mount this device in a sealed metal box for very rugged performance, completely waterproof, and also provides really good electromagnetic compatibility performance. Okay, so let's talk about battery technology. This battery pack is the heart of the Treo Zor, a compact, powerful 48 volt lithium-ion battery pack with 7.4 kilowatt hours of energy. We use lithium iron phosphate technology, proven to be very robust and have long life under severe climate conditions. We put the switchgear and the interconnects in our custom modules in this rugged metal box, fully waterproof, ready for the environment. We make this fully in-house battery management system that has the ability to optimize the life, performance, and safety of this energy storage system. Our expert engineers have created unique algorithms and software systems that control this battery pack to optimize safety, performance, and life for our customers under conditions that we have a lot of experience right here in India. This is a great energy source for the Treo Zor. So as you can see, Treo Zor is founded on world-class technology, designed, developed, and manufactured at Mahindra Electric right here in India. The technology on Treo Zor provides best-in-class efficiency, performance, ruggedness, and safety meeting global standards. Treo Zor is export ready for the global markets. With Treo Zor, you can enjoy cutting-edge technology in the cargo segment.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be presenting to you today the Treo Zor. Let's take a quick look at what makes the product a game changer. Performance that's power-packed to give you faster turnaround times, more trips, and higher earnings. How does the Zor do that? Well, it comes with best-in-industry power of 8 kilowatts, and that's in the entire three-wheeler cargo industry, mind you. Best-in-class torque to pull those payloads of 42 Nm, and that's in the entire electric three-wheeler segment. Highest-in-class payload of 550 kilos. This product is powered by lithium-ion technology, which has a charge anywhere capability, be it your homes or your offices. It comes with an excellent battery life of 1.5 lakh kilometers and a certified range of 125 kilometers for a zero-maintenance, worry-free ride. The product is based on the auto platform, that's the Treo Auto platform, which has been proven over 35 million kilometers on Indian roads across different terrains and across all 4 parts of India. It has the longest wheelbase in the industry and the largest tires in the industry as well, and that's in the three-wheeler cargo segment, which gives you the higher stability and a better ride, a safer ride compared to other players in the industry today. The product has been designed keeping the end user in mind. It comes in with a fatigue-free ride, and that also enables faster loading and unloading. How does it achieve that? Well, it's an auto transmission that's noise-free, vibration-free, clutchless, and it comes in with best-in-class loading height for the cargo tray at just 675 mm. And by the way, the cargo tray opens on all 3 sides. Reliability to enjoy a worry-free ride comes easy with the Treo Zor. It offers a standard warranty of 3 years, 80,000 kilometers, and comes in with a very advanced IP67 rated motor and power electronics. The SMC panels of the product, which are differentiators in itself, are rust-proof and dent-free. Where else do you find that in the three-wheeler segment, and especially in the cargo space in India? A model to fulfill every need for all our customers' choices and offered by competition, and those fantastic sized tires. Also not to forget, very convenient tray loading height of just 675 mm, a full 70 mm lower than the Piaggio LDX. Well, not just that, I'm sure you'll be interested to know how it impacts your pocket. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if I actually told you that in 5 years of ownership, you will be able to buy another Treo Zor, would you believe me? Well, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, it's...
Can I have the video, please? Now I request Dr. Goenka to come on stage to unveil the product.
Triozor would be so successful and a true game changer for electric vehicles. So the motto, Soch Badlo, Sapne Saakar Karo, conveys the spirit of Triozor in totality. तो आप भी क्यों नहीं अपनी सोच बदलें और अपने सपने साकार करें जोर के साथ।
Stator LDX, and these are BS6, mind you. You can see that the product is superior where it comes to the wheelbase of the product, power, torque, which is almost double that offered by competition, and those fantastic sized tires. Also not to forget, very convenient tray loading height of just 675 mm, a full 70 mm lower than the Piaggio LDX. Well, not just that, I'm sure you'll be interested to know how it impacts your pocket. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if I actually told you that in 5 years of ownership, you will be able to buy another Treo Zor, would you believe me? Well, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, it's a fact. When you look at the fuel cost, the maintenance cost, and the operating expenses of this product, it is far lower to those offered by a standard diesel offering in the segment, in this case, the market leader, Piaggio. When you look at the total cost of operation, the TCO, it comes in a full 2 rupees lower than the market leader, and the net savings over 7 years, ladies and gentlemen, are 4.27 lakhs, which is a full 61,000 rupees per year.
Thank you, Martin and Ashish. Now you would have seen and heard from my colleagues about Triozor, which has cutting-edge technology and very unique customer value proposition. With significant saving potential due to lower total cost of operations, we believe the Triozor will redefine the first and last mile delivery. You will be pleasantly surprised when I now reveal the competitive pricing which we have finalized. Now, I would like to present to you the pricing of Triozor. Can I have the price, please? With this exciting price and total cost of ownership that you have seen, we believe that Triozor will be a game changer. Now, let's experience Triozor. Can I have the video, please? Now I request Dr. Goenka to come on stage to unveil the product.
Wow, what a fantastic movie that was on Treo Zor, showing you from the point, from that moment where the seeds of its success were sown. And what an incredible journey it has been to be a market leader of where it stands today in 2025. It is no surprise then why Treo Zor was able to redefine last mile deliveries. But you know what? Back in 2020, I don't think these guys at Mahindra had any idea that Treo Zor would be so successful and a true game changer for electric vehicles. So the motto, Soch Badlo, Sapne Saakar Karo, conveys the spirit of Treo Zor in totality. तो आप भी क्यों नहीं अपनी सोच बदलें और अपने सपने साकार करें जोर के साथ.